welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video on Life with Tiffy. Now today your girl's gonna do a hot oil treatment on my hair because guys, I need to restore some strength, beauty, texture, everything's in my hair. My hair feels so dry and brittle and we can't have that at one. No. Yeah, so we can't have that happening right now. So I have the oils. I'm going to show you the oils, and I'm just going to show you how it is that I go about treating my hair with the hot oil. Now I have 4C natural hair, so if that's your hair texture, or if you're in the 4-line any at all, or I believe even in the 3-line hairline, then you should be able to use any of these products to bring back moisture and texture to your hair. Now I'm going to test it for you, and then I can say it has been tested and proven. So stay tuned to this video. Remember, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Girls, gals, boys, everybody, because we have men have to take care of your hair also, you know. So this is for you too. So guys, let's go on this adventure. It's my first time doing hot oil treatment at home, so this should be very interesting. So guys, these are the oils that I have for my hair. I have this olive oil. It is Benjamin's extra virgin olive oil. It softens and smoothens the skin, so you can also use this on your skin, but today I'm going to be using it in my hair. And it's a small bottle, yes, because I am not going to be using all of this today, and I'm sure I'll get at least 3 or 4 more uses out of this bottle of olive oil. I also have Nature's Line Jamaican black castor oil. It's all natural hair and body oil. Now it says 100% pure, no salt, and that's very important. So the Jamaican flag, they would help me big up Jamaica, the land of food and water. Whoa. Anyway, guys, one thing you must look out for when you're buying castor oil: ensure that it is pure and no salt is added, because the salt can actually do more damage than good to your hair, so you don't want that, right? And you know, guys, what's funny, I used to get natural castor oil from the country, right? Someone was there in St. Mary and she would send it up and I'd buy it from someone at work, but that's not happening now, so I had to find an alternative. So these are 2 oils I'm going to be using in my hair today. Guys, please stay tuned to see what happens. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and pour the oil into this bottle. This is the container that I have here. I'm not using a measuring spoon or anything. I'm just going off my judgment of how bad I think my hair is and how much it needs. So yep, olive oil. Maybe a little more, just a little more. Then the castor oil. Yes. 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 So that should be enough, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in some warm water to heat up. So I went ahead and I boiled some water. You can see that steam. Put it in there, and I'm going to cover it up and let it sit just for about a minute or so the oil can get very warm. So guys, it started raining, so I had to cut the audio, but right now all I'm doing is I'm pouring the oil that I had in the hot water into my spray bottle that I'm going to be using to apply to my hair. And guys, I'm making sure to get every last drop. Yes, knock it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and close up my bottle and get ready to start my hot oil treatment. So I have my oil, and I also have with me my spray bottle. So all that's in there is just some warm water, and I have a towel. Yes. So I'm just going ahead and I'm sectioning my hair into 2 parts, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that side away to 2 sides. Yes. I have a scrunchie. I'm gonna go ahead and just tie that part and leave it for the second half. So I'm going on now. I'm gonna separate that half into another half. Good. Just put away that back section. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm spraying my hair with the warm water. Now I'm not spraying my hair for it to be soaked. I'm just damping it. You know, I just want it to be moist so that the oil can be absorbed better. So I'm going in now with the oil and I'm just spraying. I'm spraying at the ends where the damage is. I'm spraying at the roots. Listen guys, I'm just going in. Yes, and I'm using my hands now, just kind of massage the oils into my hair, into the strands. Spray again because I just didn't think that it was saturated enough, so I kept on spraying. Then guys, I was trying to show you the oil there on my hand, but I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm finished with that section, but I decided to twist it out so that to kind of seal the moisture in. At least that's how I felt about it, that I was sealing in the moisture. So I'm gonna go on now to the second half at the back, and I'm basically just gonna be following the same procedure. Spray it with the warm water and use my finger to detangle it a little, get rid of all the loose hair, and then I'm spraying the oil. And I said I'm spraying as much as I think necessary. Yes, just gonna go ahead and just twist that side and put it away. Guys, some hair was falling out, I'm never pleased at all, but I'm gonna go ahead and twist that back section and just move on. So I've finished applying the oil, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my steam cap so that my hair can go ahead and absorb all the oil that I put in it. Guys, it has been 2-3 hours since I put the oil treatment in my hair, because I put it in there at 2 and now it's 5:50, so 3, 4, 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna take it down so you can see it. So I'm just taking down the other side, and guys, baby, my hair feels so soft and nice. Like honestly, I wish I didn't have to wash it immediately at that bump. My hair feels so good, so nice. Yes, I'm loving it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna wash my hair and do some more treatment to it, but that's gonna be in my wash day routine video. So if you want to see how I wash my hair and put treatment to it, then you can stay tuned for that video. But again guys, thank you very much for logging onto my channel. Thank you very much for coming and sitting through. I must say my hair feels divine. It is so soft. Like I'm really sorry I don't have to wash it because it feels so silky and nice. It really feels good. So thank you very much for coming on to Life with Tiffy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you guys will have an amazing day. And until next time, like I always say, be sure to tell a friend, to tell them friend, to tell all them friend, to subscribe to Life with Tiffy. Bye guys.